Welcome back to the channel. This is a Mailbox Monday where I open all the things that I've gotten in the last, 10 days or so. And I show you, and more importantly, I get to show you first. 1973 Chevy pickup colors. 1974 pickup colors. 1975 pickup colors. 1976. 77. This one is a 77 and 78 of a different company because I couldn't find the 78 in PPG. And I got the PPG in 1979. I stopped at 79 because that's basically when the body style that I like and that RC4WD Drive puts out stops. I was using a place online, but now I have all of these to where I can use my local auto paint and supply store. I was going through the list online, seeing what colors they had, looking them up on Google, making sure I like that color, then going back, ordering a can of that color, and then going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and you've seen me do that a few times. The problem being I ordered 9 cans of paint. They told me that it would be 10 to 12 business days or something like that to make that. Whereas if I go down to my local paint store, take them one of these, they can match this perfectly, and he can usually get me a can of paint within about 15 minutes. So it'll sit back there and shake and do all its thing, and I wander around looking at the same stuff 15 times like you do when you're just waiting in a store. But now I can take these, and what I can actually do is kind of look at them literally together and see what colors would go well with the others, etc., etc. So we're gonna see how that goes. You ready? I haven't done this in a month. Next! Oh, that felt good. My guy Andre from Scale Metal Supplies is now local, just about an hour north of me, and he gave me a few things, and the business bought a few things in August, just because I also have another venture. I've started building buggies. So I got some buggy plates, I got some of these dimple die strips, which I'm not 100% sure exactly what I'm going to do with. I had an idea, and then they came a little different size, so we'll see where those go. I got some bumper tabs. These are long ones, these are long bent. These are with no shackle, these are with a shackle, and then these are, I believe these are his inside frame that he makes for like a 10-3. They go kind of like this, and then they stick out level like that. I'm hoping you can see that one. I believe those are for 10-3, and then these are roll bar plates. So basically they're like sandwich plates on a real truck that you can use. Not 100% sure what I'm going to do with those. They actually, to me, look more like they'd be useful as tail light buckets. So I'm going to do that. Not quite next, but next-ish. These are actually from Andre as well. What we have here, he actually started making these panhard / servo mounts for buggy builds. So you can put your bars here, and here. You can have some square bar through here, but you do have a single shear panhard here, and then your servo mounts directly in there. Very, very useful if you've ever tried to build a buggy and tried to make something like this, or figuring out your servo, etc., etc. This is actually pretty rad. I cannot wait to put these to use. I have a few options already that I think they would go into, and I am super stoked about that. So, like I said, I got 3, Doug got 3, and then I also got what's called a fast dash and a console. So basically, this is a pre-cut, I don't even know what you call that, nibbled. Basically, it's ready to bend right along this line. You take this, put it in a vise, bender, whatever you want, bend it into the angle you want, and it is an easily mountable dash. Super, super quick. And then I also have this console here. Same thing, bend them down the sides, bend this in, and then you have a nice console that actually mates up with the dash, depending on how you do it, and looks really, really good. If you're doing like that aluminum interior kind of thing, this is pretty killer. And then lastly, because he knows the way to my heart, stickers. I love the stickers. Next! This is technically a business purchase. What I got was, there we go. So Doug wanted 4 pairs of the new dual stage VP foams. These are the 4.65s. They're going to go in his son's Phoenixes. The stock foams have finally broken down with all the water and beating that his sons have given them. So now he's going to stuff some dual stages in there, and that will make everything all better. Next up, I sold a pair of wheels to one of my favorite couples, Candy and Rob, and they were missing a hub and some hardware. So I went ahead and got some new hardware for them. I bought 225 hubs in black for the store. I ordered a set of bullies. I also got 2 sets of KMC machetes in gray. Got 2 sets of impacts. Some people love them, some people don't. These are also in clear. Something that the business bought a couple weeks ago, but obviously it's not enough for a video. I got a set of bronze 310s, orange 101s, and as much as I hated to do it, I know some people love it and I like to make money, and that's fine. Bronze 105s. You may be asking yourself, what the hell are you gonna do with all these wheels? Well, they are going in this box here. I'm gonna throw all these in a box plus a few other little things, and I'm gonna send them off to Travis Bateman. So not only am I going to supply all the normal colors with all the normal wheels as long as they're in stock, I am also going to try to cover all types of anodized wheels. So they may only be one color here, one color there. They may be random colors. They could be splish splash splooshes all over the place. I'm not 100% sure exactly what I'm going to do, but this is an idea I had. I've seen some other people do it, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently. So that is what I'm doing with the 7 sets of wheels. I don't remember, 7 sets of wheels, something like that. And I may throw some other stuff in there too as well. So all that goes in a box and we'll go to Bateman. Next! I know what's in here, but this is a large box for what's in here, so let's see what happens. Not sure if there's a bunch of extra room in there or what. Aha! Alright, we just got a little packaging around the top. Now, it's gonna come as no surprise. I got one of these. But this is a little bit different. I'm gonna let you see it first. See what you think. This could be a box of magazines for all I know. Got it from a guy I don't know, but seemed trustworthy-ish. Ready? What do you think? What we got? Oh, we got a body. Oh, it actually did come. Hey-yo. Alright. Okay, so what we have here is a print / choppy of we have the tailgate, the topper. This is the piece that goes back here. Both bumpers, the bed, or start of the bed, and we have the Blazer topper thingy parts. We have glass for... Oh, glass is in it, stupid. Glass for the Blazer top. And then we have all the little screws and doodads and wood wobs. Okay. So this has a cowl induction hood, which is a very fat cowl induction. That's a big boy. The trim has been blacked out. Ooh, I like that. I like the look of that. That's actually pretty nice. So that actually looks pretty cool. It has been painted this god-awful brown color. It does have some scratches and stuff, but that's whatever. So I got everything to have this. I don't know if he built it as a truggy. I can't remember what he said. I have this. I'm not a huge fan of this being hogged out here. That's kind of one of my pet peeves, but I figure if I put some decent sized tires on it and don't extend the wheelbase out and everything, yeah, it's probably gonna need it anyway. So that is what I got there. And that concludes Mailbox Monday for today. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to check me out on Instagram, Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC across the board. And check us out on Monday nights live at 7 o'clock my time in Indiana. You go this way or this way, do the time deductions, whatever that is. And I will see you later. Bye!